ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Islam Al-Baz from Ibn Khaldun Schools. Today we are going to deal with English World Class 5, Grade 5, Unit 10, Lesson 4, and the title of our lesson today is Grammar in Conversation. Let's go. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students are guided to listen to a conversation, think of their own ideas for a similar conversation, hold a short conversation. Kindly open your People's Book, page 106. Page 106. The title of our lesson today is Grammar in Conversation. Grammar in Conversation. Activity 1. Listen and read. Before listening, look at this picture. What can you see in the picture? Great. I can see two boys, and here we can see some activities. Sleeping, waking up, watching TV, and running. Sleeping, waking up, watching TV, and running. So, what are their names? What are their names? Great. This is Harry and this is Mark. So, what are they talking about? Excellent. Harry is doing a survey. Harry is doing a survey. A survey means to ask a group of people about something, to investigate their opinion or behavior, things they like, and so on. Then write the answers of the people in a chart or on a paper. So, Activity 1, listen and read.
Track 2, Pupils Book, Unit 10, page 106. Activity 1, listen and read.
Excuse me, I'm doing a survey. Would you mind answering a few questions?
Not at all.
Okay. My first question is, what do you enjoy doing?
Let me think. I enjoy sleeping.
Thank you. And what do you hate doing?
That's easy. I hate getting up early.
What do you avoid doing?
That's tricky. I avoid running.
What? Well, here's my last question. What are you looking forward to doing?
I'm looking forward to lying on the sofa and watching TV.
Honestly, you're so lazy.
I love teasing you.
Now focus on words in red. So, let me ask you some questions. What does Mark enjoy doing? What does Mark enjoy doing? Great. He enjoys sleeping. He enjoys sleeping. Question 2. What does he hate doing? What does he hate doing? Great. He hates getting up early. He hates getting up early. What does he avoid doing? What does he avoid doing? Great. He avoids running. He avoids running. What's he looking forward to doing? What's he looking forward to doing? Great. He's looking forward to lying on a sofa and watching TV. Now let's focus on grammar. Look at these verbs. Would, mind. Enjoy. Hate. Avoid. Looking forward to. Love. The all followed by gerund. The all followed by gerund, which means the verb plus ing. Answer, answering. Verb plus ing. Do, doing. Sleeping. Enjoy sleeping. Hate getting up. Avoid, running. Love, teasing. Teasing means laugh at somebody in a friendly way. Now let's focus on grammar. And our role today is to focus on gerund. We said that gerund is verb plus ing. The verb plus ing. Gerund. Okay. Form and usage. Form and usage. Now, how to form the gerund? Go, going. We form the gerund by adding ing to the end of the verb. Ing. Give. Great. It's giving. Give, giving. If the verb ends with e, we drop it before adding ing. Give, giving. Dig. Digging. This is one syllable word, dig, and it's CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant. In this case, we double the consonant at the end of the verb before adding ing. Dig, digging. Remember, consonant, vowel, consonant. Die. Die. Let's see. Great. If the verb ends with ie, we change them into y. We change them into y. Die, die, before adding ing. Then ing. Die, dying. Label. Label. In this case, the verb has more than one syllable. It's not like dig, one syllable. Here, two syllables. If the verb has two or more syllables and it ends with CVC, which means consonant, vowel, consonant, we know. We double the last consonant before adding ing. So, label, labeling, double L, double G. Okay. Number 2, the usage. We use the gerund after the following verbs. After the following verbs. admit, avoid, begin, continue, consider, deny, fancy, finish, give up, go on, keep on, intend, start, stop, try. All these words are followed by the gerund. Some of them take the infinitive, and we will study it later, but remember, these verbs are followed by the gerund. Let's complete the list after the following verbs. We use the gerund: imagine, miss, postpone, practice, risk, suggest, can't help, it's no use, there is no point in, interested in. It's no good, it's worth. Let's complete the list: like, enjoy, love, prefer, don't mind, hate, look forward to. Great, let's go back to our People's Book, page 106. Activity 2, think, write and say. You will read these questions and answer them. What do you enjoy doing? What do you enjoy doing? Great. I enjoy swimming. Swimming. Double M-I-N-G. Gerund. What do you hate doing? Great. I hate playing football. What do you avoid doing? I avoid washing the dishes. What are you looking forward to doing? Great. I am looking forward to going on holiday. So, you have to practice asking and answering these questions at home. Activity 3. Let's talk. I am doing a survey. I am doing a survey. Will you answer my questions? Sure. We have here some useful phrases to help us to make the conversation. Now, useful phrases. Would you mind? We use would you mind for a permission to do something. Okay? And the answer to this question is not at all. If you are agreeing to this question, we use not at all. Okay, let me think. Let me think. You want to take your time to think about the question, to answer it. Okay. That's easy. Easy. That's easy. That's tricky. 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 Honestly. Honestly. Now let's move to the word wall activity. Question number 1. I like space adventure stories. I like space adventure stories. I like read, reading, reads. Remember, after like we use the gerund, which is the verb plus ing, which is the verb plus ing. So, I like, great, reading adventure stories. Number 2. Would you mind space me? Would you mind space me? Help, help it, helping. Yes, great, helping, the gerund. Yusuf is interested in space stamps. Yusuf is interested in space stamps. Collect, collecting, collected. Great, the gerund, collecting, the verb plus ing. 4. My brother hates space vegetables. My brother hates space vegetables. Eating, ate, eat. The answer is great, eating, the gerund. The gerund. 5. The boys enjoy space computer games. The boys enjoy space computer games. Play, played, playing. Yes, that's easy. We choose the gerund, the verb plus ing. So the boys enjoy playing computer games. Number 6. The girls prefer space to the radio. Listen, listening, listened. Great. The girls prefer listening to the radio. Now let's move to the last part of our lesson today, which is the workbook. Now kindly open your workbook, page 95. 95. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences with the verbs in the box. Use the ing form, which is the gerund of the verbs. Now let's read the verbs. Walk, collect, read, play, tease, listen, see, help, eat. Number 1. I like adventure stories. How about you? The answer is reading. Like reading adventure stories. Reading stories. But remember to add ing to the end of the verb. Read, reading. Johnny is so lazy. He always avoids space to school. Great. Johnny is so lazy, he always avoids walking to school. Walking to school. Number 3. These bags are heavy. Would you mind space me? These bags are heavy. Would you mind space me? Great. Helping. Helping. These bags are heavy. Would you mind helping me? Kindly complete the exercise as a homework.